Hi, what is up guys? Welcome to this video. It is now time to upgrade my DIY electric skateboard. I made this about a couple of months ago. Changed the grip tape like a couple of days ago, and yeah, looking good so far. And yeah, I've been rocking these 90mm wheels that I got from my old Unique Eagle electric skateboard. They're doing great, they're fine, but the vibration is pretty terrible on the 90mm wheels, so I'm gonna go ahead and upgrade it to all-terrain wheels. I like the orange wheels, and here are my all-terrain MBS all-terrain 100mm wheels. Very grippy, I would say, and they look nice also. Check this out. Alright, so now let's go ahead and hook these bad boys up. I'm gonna take off the wheel pulley from the old wheel. Alright, so I got the boards out, the pulley off. Alright, so let's go ahead and hook it up to the all-terrain wheel. Put the plate on and the bolts. Alright, so I got the wheel pulley hooked up. I'm reusing the same bearings, they're still pretty good. I had to replace a bearing. Had a broken bearing. I had to add some washers right here with a spacer so the wheel can match the motor pulley. And now I'm gonna go ahead and loosen the motor so I can adjust the belt tension. Alrighty, so the board is set up, and now got these all-terrain 100mm wheels. I'm gonna have to take it out and test it. Let's see how it feels. Check this bad boy out. Thank you.
What kind of skateboard is that?
It's electric.
Can I run?
That's it for this video. If you liked it, make sure to drop a like, subscribe, stay tuned for upcoming videos. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.